Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a GitHub repository. Whether you're handing off a project to a new team or moving it to a different organization, this process will help you transfer ownership quickly and securely. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard where you can access all your repositories and projects. Now navigate to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository that you want to transfer. This will open up the main page for that specific repository, giving you access to all its settings and configurations. In the top toolbar, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you to the repository settings page where you can manage various aspects of your repository, including permissions, branches, and ownership. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Transfer Ownership. This section is typically located toward the bottom of the settings page, so you may need to scroll for a moment. When you see it, click the transfer button beside it. This initiates the transfer process and ensures that you're ready to specify the new owner. After clicking transfer, you'll see an option to specify an organization or username. Click on this option to proceed. This step is crucial because it determines where your repository will be moved and who will have control over it going forward. Next, type the username or organization name in the text field provided. Make sure you enter the correct details here, as this will be the new owner of your repository. Double-check the spelling to avoid any mistakes that could delay the transfer. Now, to confirm the transfer, you'll need to copy or type your repository name into the confirmation field. This is a security measure to ensure that you're absolutely certain about transferring ownership, as this action cannot be easily undone. Finally, click the button that says, "I understand, transfer this repository." This completes the transfer process. GitHub will handle the rest, and the repository will be moved to the new owner's account. The new owner will now have full control over the repository, including all its files, history, and settings. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your GitHub repository to a new owner. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.